guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tanisha and this is my sister, and we're gonna be answering some of the sister tag questions that I asked on my Instagram. So let's go. Okay, who's the taller one?
We both are of the same height.
Shut up, I'm taller. I'm
No,
like
no,
what,
no.
an inch taller. Stand up, stand up. No, I don't know if the camera. I don't know, but
think
I
so.
am taller.
She's-
You can see on my Instagram. Sure,
She's taller, like she's taller सिर्फ उतना सा like.
But at least I'm taller and I get the title of taller. No,
Yeah, she's
that's
taller. Yeah. she's
topic
taller.
laws. Okay, then who plays Garba and Dandiya better? I do.
It's me.
I do.
It's me.
Come
because
on.
every time we start playing, she's the one who keeps on asking me कि अरे next steps तू करबू छे. So it's always me.
I never do that.
One eternity later.
Because you don't play good. Shut up now.
No. I was like thinking.
What is the age difference between you two? She is 4.5 years elder.
Yeah, we
I'm
have
the
an age
younger
gap
one.
of 4.5 years.
I'm the younger one.
Yeah.
But it doesn't look like.
Yeah.
Many people say that.
Yeah, she looks like an auntie.
Shut up. Kuch bhi. Okay. Have you ever had a real fight, like a proper not talking to each other for the day wala fight?
That's everyday ka thing. That's everyday ka thing. It's like, matlab, we'll have fights every day and then we won't talk to each other and then she'll start doing her drama. मैं रूम में नहीं सोने वाली, मैं तो हॉल में ही सोऊंगी and all that stuff. And then she'll take a chadar with her and all, and then she'll go to the hall, and then I have to manafy her, Baba, don't sleep there, Mama will come and scold me only, then I have to drag her, make her sleep in the room. So yeah, it's everyday ka thing and it's like a normal thing, it's nothing new.
Yeah, okay, fine, whatever. Favorite thing about each other?
I don't have any favorite things about her.
She are so mean.
Okay, no, on a serious note, there are actually a lot of things I do admire about her. It would be like, okay, if I have to say a 2 or 3, she has a very good sense of fashion, which I don't. It's not that I regret or anything, but I always take suggestions from her.
She's a doctor.
I'm
Like
not,
she's preparing for the doctor, so
it's not like that. Things aside, yeah, she has a very good sense of fashion. Like I've always looked up to her. Like whenever I have to wear clothes or like I'm confused between them. Then a second thing is like her drawing is amazing. I cannot draw like her. My drawing is like chillu pullu wala. My drawing is like chillu pullu wala junior senior KG wala drawing where trees and then birds I draw and everything.
What is chullu pullu?
Yeah, I don't know, just random. So her drawing is amazing, and she's very creative in a way, and she's very artistic. And
There was one thing we had to say one thing, but मैं हूँ ये इतनी अच्छी
Okay,
मतलब
fine,
people
yeah,
can't
that's
stop
all. I told 2 or
appreciating
3
me.
bus
I am
hoga.
so good that people can't stop appreciating.
shut up.
Okay, so one favorite thing about her, like there are many, but especially that I like about her that she is determined. Like if she sticks to one thing, she'll continue it as long like till she gets the results. Like very determined and focused. I'd say.
At times.
Yeah, at times though,
Yeah,
but then
sometimes you get bored, obviously.
yeah, obviously you need a change in life, but I need to do something. I need to learn from her.
Oh my God, I
because
feel-
I'm like a very lazy person. Like
Lazy.
what? Oh yeah, I am a lazy person. That's like a
If
what?
it
I am
comes
not.
to if it comes to physical activity, it will be like Tanisha is equal to
See-
pay slash and then physical activity. So now you know. Like,
See, the
36
thing
आंकड़ा.
is, the thing is, this lockdown, ये lockdown में I've gotten like this. Varna, I used to play a lot of sports before. I've won medals also. So please, how close are you on the scale of 1 to 10 in terms of sharing personal things, talks?
See, it depends actually. We usually share each and everything to each other, but
Like, not compulsorily, but
at
like,
times what happens, there are things that you don't share it with your sibling, but you do with your close friends.
yeah,
So
that's
there are
it.
things you can't with your sibling, but you can share it with your friend and to who you're talking to.
About what? Like situation
Yeah,
or
it
a
usually
particular topic.
it's if you have to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I won't rate it because it usually depends, but it's majority of the cases it's like that. We have our time in the night when we both are like lying down with popcorn, so probably just sleeping with a chadar, and we start talking. So an hour goes by and then it's like, oh shit, ek baj gaya, abhi sona hai karke. So at times when we start opening, we open a lot of things. Otherwise it's like,
Or else it'll be like
हाँ.
months, or because she doesn't like stay here,
Yeah,
she
so
stays in a hostel, so it's like it's months we don't talk.
yeah, because I stay over there, I have my routine. She's also like busy in her stuff. But whenever I'm here, it's we start talking. Then ho gaya. Then to nobody can stop us. Then we open up about everything, like maximum everything.
Okay.
Yeah,
Next, what annoys you the most about each other?
everything.
Her existence.
मेरा तो everything में your existence also included.
It's the same thing. Your existence is only like the everything, and it's
No, but on
included.
a serious note, annoying. Oh my god, I have to tell you this thing, okay?
What are you telling?
Okay, fine. I'll tell this thing. Annoying, okay? Abhi to I'm staying here since the past 7
8
to 8 months, okay? Because of this lockdown and everything. The way what happens in the morning, I usually wake up around 7:38, okay? And annoying. Our bed is this huge, but she'll be coming and sticking towards me. I don't know why. It's like every morning I'm on the verge of falling down, and she's like, she'll always come and stick to me, and I don't like
Yeah, like
that. And
नींद में पता कैसे चलता है where you're going at?
and usually what she does, when she sleeps, she usually keeps her chadar near her head, so there's
I like
nothing
sleeping
covering
like
her
this.
body. So and she keeps on pulling my chadar. I'm like, what? So this is one small thing which annoys me a lot. Whenever I wake up in the morning, I'm like, कि बाबा मैं गिर ना जाऊँ करके. There's a lot of things like she'll take my khana also from my food, which is very annoying. I don't like. She's like, दीदी क्या बनाया, अच्छा बनाया. Yeah.
See,
I don't
or
like
you
it
need to
also.
taste. When you make something, you need to
She
taste.
won't taste. She'll take that bite, और फिर अगर suppose you're having a paratha, उसका taste मतलब आधा पराठा हो जाता है. So it's like उसका taste है ही नहीं. She'll like, hey, didi, then she'll be like, you're not sharing and all. Yeah, these are two things. And there's a lot of things actually. I can, keep on saying constantly.
If you ask her to tell or talk about something, she'll elaborate like hell lot.
My personality.
She-
I can't.
Dude, you like, if you like, if someone asked you what are you eating, you'll be like, I'm eating a cupcake. That's the answer you should give. She like, I'm eating a vanilla cupcake, and then she'll start the whole recipe how she made that vanilla cupcake. Like, nobody asked you the recipe. Stop. She talks a lot. That's like the
I love talking.
Most annoying
Maybe
thing of
it's the people in front of people who are not comfortable with. I can be like into myself and not talk to them for hours. But if I'm comfortable with anyone, then to ho gaya. I can talk non-stop.
One eternity later.
what's a weird habit of your sibling? Habit? I don't know. I actually can't think of anything on spot. This question is asked by Vatsal Bhai. Obviously, if you guys know him, if you remember him from my Mumbai vlog, he asked, dumb one out of you two. Okay, Vatsal Bhai, if you're watching this, you only decide, because you are the only person who's
He
Heena's
called us
grown.
both dumb.
These to next level only.
We act crazy, literally. Our mom is like,
She's tired of us actually.
She has.
It was not even like 1 month in the lockdown, and she was already like, please to her. She's like, please go back to your hostel, and she was like, please get. I should get back to my normal routine because she was like so
Imagine now it's already been
tired.
8 months.
Yeah, 8, and she was saying this from like when it was only 1 month, and she started saying all this. You please go back to the hostel. I don't want you here. Next, what would you do if one day you woke up as each other? That's a really good question.
Oh my god.
She's a science student. I'm an art student. I won't bear it. I cannot bear science subjects.
I would actually experience whatever she does. Like, you know, I would, if I have the chance to actually live whatever she does into, like, you know, I would experience each and everything. Like, probably I would just grab her creation and all, whatever, you know, creativity she has, and then I would probably you know, go shopping and then buy all the stuff, because I'm not good at, you know, clothes selection. As I told, you know, initially, I would do a lot of things.
Why are you being so nice to me today?
It's not being nice. I'm just saying the good things. If I start saying the
Which
bad,
is very rare.
if I start saying the
Which is
bad
very
things, so this
rare.
video will extend up to 1 hour plus. So, you know.
And this is also from one of our cousins. And I hate you for asking this. How much... Nishit bhai. Nishit
Okay.
Kamdar. Okay. He asked, how much does Tanisha eat?
Oh, amazing.
So this is particularly actually asking
kind of-
you. He's
he
actually
kind of-
asking you.
He kind of, you know, wanted to
Yeah, humiliate me in front of everyone.
How much
Meet
she-
me next time.
It depends actually on her mood. Yeah, it's not that she'll skip meals or anything.
No, I don't.
But she can never skip meals. If she skips, I'm like, ah. She'll have her food time to time daily, and it depends on her,
Cravings.
not
Like, basically.
cravings. It depends on how
I'm
much
more
she's
of
hungry.
like, yeah, that's then.
If there's food like
I
she's
eat-
fond of, then तो फिर पता ही नहीं चलेगा क्या कब कैसे खत्म हुआ किधर से चालू हुआ. And but she never has that thing कि I don't like this, I don't like that. पर हाँ मस्त खाना एक बार चालू किया तो हो गया फिर तो.
except I
Actually
hate
we
Karela.
both are big time foodies.
I get all food cravings more at midnight rather
Yeah.
than in morning. So
Then
that
she'll
that
be like
is
she'll make
the
her own
exact.
cold coffee. She'll have a ice cream.
That is like the exact
तो फिर
reason
तो
why
हो
I
गया.
gained weight in
Then
this
तो हो गया. Then
lockdown.
तो क्या खाना क्या पीना सब भूल ही जाओ. Then तो she'll keep on eating.
Anyways, so that was the last question, and yeah, there's one message from Sakshi. Guys, come to Mumbai. Miss you all.
Oh, we miss you too.
We miss you too, Sakshi, and we'll see you on Diwali, and we are done here.
If the video is coming to an end, guys, please do like, share, subscribe, comment down below.
You are actually saying as if you're like Titanic sad end, like this video is coming to an end. And let me know if you wanna see us do a part 2 of this video, and we'll see you guys next time.
Please,
Peace out.
please do like and share, subscribe. She's putting a lot of effort into doing all these videos.
Chalo, bye bye.